This hydrates my skin so much. This is a little bit expensive when it comes to me. Not everybody, I know. You can see this is a big dabba. So I have got 2 sunscreen. It's 4. This one came through all my skincare ingredient tests. Literally cleaned my whole texture. Or if you want to see what's inside, you know. Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the second half of the big Amazon haul. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video, you can watch that video just after this video. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to share all the skincare products that I got from Amazon. There is quite a few products, and in that video, I've shared all the makeups that I got from Amazon. There was quite a few products as well. So you guys are sorted because all these products I have accumulated for the last 2 months, and so I have been constantly using them as well. So I'm going to give you guys a mini review. I have given reviews of the makeup products in that video. You can check that out. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a review about all the skincare products as well as show you guys. Yeah, let's get started with today's video. A little disclaimer: the moment I pressed record, it started raining and the sun said bye bye, so there will be a little bit rain sound. That sounds so weird. Anyways, you get the point. Also, I have switched off the fan so that the sound is minimum, but please bear with me. Okay, so the first off, I have my absolute favorite, very must have face wash. No, rather I'll call it a very gentle cleanser. So this is the Cleanse Me gentle skin cleanser. I just love this cleanser. This is very affordable, as well as the ingredients. Oh my god, I only look through ingredients and never through the front section of any bottle, especially skincare. This one came through all my skincare ingredient tests, so it doesn't have any perfume. I love the fact about this one. The texture, how it applies on my skin, just made my skin so much clear and moisturizing and everything. Just get this one if you have a dry skin, because this is very gentle. I use this one after applying cleansing balm and washing my face. This is my second step of whole skincare routine that I do. I'm going to show you guys another thing. Yeah, look at this. I have 2 bottles. This is completely finished, and this one I'm using. I got this on this haul, and I'm about to finish because I have this much left, and this little bottle goes a long way. I have been using this for 2 months and I'm halfway through, so it lasts long as well. So it's affordable, clean ingredients, and lasts long. What do you need? Let me tell you, I do a lot of full coverage makeup, so it's just beautiful. Next up, we have a very new purchase. I got it last week. So this is this cream. This is Parasoft cream for dry skin. By the way, this skincare haul is for me, so I'm a dry skin person, so everything that I'll be showing you guys will help you if you are a dry skin. But if you are not, please watch, because I have a lot of fun stuffs as well that I'm going to show you later in this haul, so stick around. Anyway, this is a cream moisturizer, whatever you want to call it. So this is really thick, which is exactly what my skin needs. So I have been using Simple's Rich Nourishing Lotion. I don't remember the full name, but I'm gonna pop a picture here. So I've been using that is really good. But the one problem that I was feeling still dry, and then when it got finished, I thought now is the time I'll experiment with moisturizers. I needed a moisturizer which is really affordable and also good ingredients, because I blather up my face every now and then, every 1 or 2 hours, whenever I feel like I need some shine or even moisturization on my face. I apply cream. That's why I got this one. You can see this is a big dabba, and this is really affordable. Oh my god. But the one problem I still have with this one is it has a tad bit of perfume in it, but rest of the ingredients are really clean. It has paraffin, which is like wax, and it really seals in my moisture. This hydrates my skin so much. I'll just pop a picture right over here of my current skin. Before I put on this makeup, I clicked few pictures of my real ass skin, so you can understand how supple my skin feels. Earlier it used to be so dry. Now it looks so plump. You can see these pictures, though I know it has been like a week or 10 days of using this, but I'm so in love. I smell a little bit of perfume, but that's okay, because all the goodness I've been seeing on my skin is like phenomenal. So now the next product is a must have for any season. It's a must have for any skincare routine. This is the one single product that I always have, irrespective of are you a child, are you an older person, are you a boy or a girl, caste, creed, race, religion, anything, you need this product. Yeah, drum roll please, it's sunscreen. So I have got two sunscreen, it's four. I have got two sunscreens. So this is the very popular, very raved about La Shield Fiasco matte sunscreen gel. So this is a little bit expensive when it comes to me. Not everybody, I know. And you know what, I'm gonna tell you everything that every other people say on the internet about this sunscreen is all correct. I have used this one and hence I'm telling you guys the same thing. I am blown. I am just blown with how this makes my skin feel. Literally, this is our dry skin girl's best friend. Literally, this does the whole job of my moisturizer as well as sunscreen. My skin used to feel so good, so glowy. Although it says it's a matte sunscreen, but I wouldn't agree 100% this is not a matte sunscreen. On my skin, this gives me a lot of glow and it really makes my skin look happy and healthy. But one thing that it does have white cast, but obviously after 2 minutes of applying it, it goes away. I have said that in my previous videos. If you watch my no makeup look video, you can see my skin texture after I applied this one. Oops, applied this sunscreen. Love this one. The second sunscreen, this is the sunscreen lotion from the Blessing Tree. Okay, both of them are SPF 50 and PA+++. Both of them are physical sunscreen or mineral based sunscreen, which means it doesn't have any chemical filters. Both of them has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which are literally two best things to be present in any sunscreen, and because of that also I got this one, and also because of all the other ingredients that is there. The only thing that is a little bit about this sunscreen is it has perfume, but I kid you not, I never have smelled any perfume in it. My nose is very sharp. The slightest of any smell I could smell it, because I have a tendency that if I smell any smell I will get a instant headache. I don't know, I got this from my mom, so I can't use fragrance in anything. I don't use perfume. If you are considering the perfume aspect, go ahead, buy this one, but make sure that you know your skin, that it doesn't react to any mildest perfume as well. But all in all, this is a really great product. I'm so freaking sorry, it has started raining so heavily. It's raining cats and dogs, so I'm very sorry if the background noise is freaking too much. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so now the next two products literally changed my whole skincare game, literally changed everything about my skin. I just love, I swear by these two products. These two products, both of them are from Minimalist. This one is a Minimalist Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 vitamin serum, and this one is Minimalist AHA 25% plus PHA 5% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. So I know you guys have a lot of questions about these two products, but I have talked about them in a freaking whole video. So please, I would say go watch that video. In that video, I have in detail shared how these two products literally cleaned my whole texture. Everything about my skin is because of these two things and the moisturizer that I'm using now. But if you still want me to say something about them in one sentence, hyaluronic acid, I use it every freaking night and I just love everything about it, The next one, Minimalist, I use it twice every month, not more than that. I don't use any scrubs, any physical exfoliation, any kind of exfoliation other than this, and also I do shave my face. These two in combination works best as exfoliator for my skin and nothing else. Love this one. I do have few other products to share, but let's jump on to the fun stuffs because I am excited to share that and I can't keep my cool. Let's do it. Ta-da-da! I got this too, as I said. This is the blonder powder or the pre-lightener. This is the developer. Obviously, you can see it on my face. I bleached my hair. This is the 20 volume. I wanted to get 30 volume, but this too was a set and I didn't want to spend too much money because the 30 volume was a little too pricey. But this, you can see, did a pretty good job. I have a whole ass video of me bleaching my hair. 2 videos to be very precise. Go watch it. It's out there for you guys to have fun. It is literally blonde. It looks a little yellowish. That's because of my ring light. It's yellow light. The sun has gone out, so I had to put on the ring light. But great job it had done. Go watch my video if you want to know more about this one, or if you want to see what's inside, you know. Next up, we have a must-have thing, especially since lockdown. It's a must-have. So these are face shaving razors. So I've been using this for like literally 2 years now, and I don't think I'm gonna ever go to salon, but don't tell that to my parlor Didi, okay? But anyways, I love these tinkle razors. They are so freaking inexpensive, almost free. And yeah, I just stocked up on these because I don't know why. I even started using the pink one. As you guys can see, it is not sealed anymore. So love them. I have a whole video about these razors and even how I shave my face. Go and check it out. I've been doing makeup for last 2 years now, and would you believe me if I say I never have owned or used any micellar water? You won't believe, right? But it's true, I have never used. I always used to use cleansing balm. But yeah, you guessed it right. In this haul, this is the first freaking time I bought myself a micellar water bottle. This is from Garnier's. This is the yellow one, which is like there was 2 options, I think, the pink one and the yellow one. This is the yellow one. I got this one because it says it cleans very strong makeup, and I do a lot of face paints as well as a lot of full coverage eye looks and everything, very far away from natural, you guys can understand. So I thought it would be nice to use this one and not the pink one. It's very common, nothing to tell you guys about this because everybody uses this is a common product, but I'm just blown away that after having micellar water, my life became so much easier. If I do any mistake on my eye look, I just take a Q-tip, take a little bit of micellar water and just clean my mess, and I'm sorted. Now we are down to the last product. So this is a Miniso's cotton pads. This is a soft cotton pads, 180 sheets, and it's retails for like 150 rupees, so it's kind of cheap. I ran out of it, so I got this one. But this comes with a disclaimer as well, because I know if I show this thing, I'll get attacked, and a lot of people will start spreading hate in my comment section because everybody is kind of switching from use and throw cotton pads to recyclable cotton pads. So, but hear me out. This is my second packet, and the first packet lasted me nearly like 1.5 years. So you can understand how much I use this one. Very, very little. I basically swear by cleansing balms, cleansing oils. So I use it very less. But also on my part, I am going to improve. This change cannot happen overnight. To go all recyclable from use and throw takes time. It's a process. It's a lifestyle change. So I am improving. I have reduced the amount of using these cotton pads, and in future I think I'm gonna stop as well. But it's a slow process, it's a gradual progress. So with that being said, take this product with a light heart. And yeah, I want to be very honest and clear about it. That's why I even showed it to you guys. Oh my god, this explanation is a whole ass twice the size of the actual haul video that I'm making, but this is important. Hey you guys, so that's about this video. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you have liked this video. By the way, now is the time to switch on to the makeup part of this video. If you haven't watched it, go ahead, click the button right over here. Yeah, click it, watch the video. You're gonna be blown about all the makeup products and even the eye looks that I created. Love that video. But if you are done, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the button. Just tap it, just hit it hard. You know, there's no harm in it. Just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification button if you want my face to pop up whenever I post a new video. With that all being said, I am going to go now. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give. I gotta be the one for me, cause no one else